Hi, I'm Ellie and I'm here to tell you about our simple siren-only alarm system, the Valiant. A great home security product that gives your property great visual and audible deterrence to any would-be intruder. The Valiant is an ideal starter alarm that includes a loud solar-powered siren and strobe. It provides a visual intruder deterrent for the outside of the property and is easily armed and disarmed via the handy remote control. It includes pet-friendly sensors suitable for any home and protection for your main entrance door with the door contact. The Valiant is also compatible with a full range of wireless accessories. You can add a keypad to the system, which is a great option for those that prefer to enter and use a code to arm and disarm the alarm, or use RFID tags with the keypad for ease of disarming, which are great for the children coming home as they can be attached to their keyring. Find out more at responseelectronics.com.